Let it.
Hi beauties, it's Dani here from Sigma Beauty, Sigma's global makeup artist. We are going back to basics today and I'm going to show you how to apply your foundation flawlessly using our F80 flat kabuki brush. Our F80 flat kabuki brush is probably one of the most loved brushes by many. You'll probably find this brush in every makeup lover's brush collection. It has been around for as long as Sigma's been around. And here's a little close-up of the brush. It is perfect for applying foundation, really of any consistency, but if you have a foundation that offers more of a medium to full coverage application, this is definitely the brush for you. Okay, so what I'm gonna do first is, I have a little bit of foundation on my palette here, and I'm just going to go right in and dip my brush to cover the bristles. And then I'm just going to stamp on the foundation onto my face, usually in areas that I might want a little bit more coverage first. So around my cheeks, around my nose area. And then we're simply just going to buff it out. And this buffing technique really just helps incorporate the foundation into the skin so it really becomes one with the skin. It eliminates any sort of brush streaks or any cakiness. Foundation has really come a long way throughout the years, so you can really find any sort of formula on the market that works well with your skin texture or your skin type. And look how quick and easy that was. Make sure you really get around the perimeter of your face, so around your jawline, by your ears. You can use this brush for really any type of foundation, whether it's liquid, cream, or even like a compact powder. But I feel like it definitely works best for a liquid or cream foundation, especially something that offers a little bit more coverage. Because this brush is nice and dense and fluffy, it really blends out thicker consistencies really, really well. So I'm just buffing around my nose and then moving to the forehead. Going back to all of the amazing foundations you can find on the market nowadays, there are a lot of formulas that look really nice on the skin and make your skin look nice and natural, even if it is a more thicker or full coverage foundation. But the thing is, you have to use the right tool with it. Having the right brush will really help you achieve the flawless look you are looking for when using a foundation. And I'm just avoiding the eye area a little bit because I will be putting on concealer. So I like to put on concealer after my foundation, but I don't really want that many layers, therefore I'm just avoiding that area a little bit. Once my foundation is applied, I'm just going in and kind of bouncing my brush onto my face to really ensure everything is nice and pressed in. And also this kind of helps eliminate any excess product that you have on your skin. All of our brushes are synthetic, meaning they're cruelty-free. We do not use animal hair bristles. These are completely synthetic fibers, which are great because they do not absorb the amount of product that a normal animal hair bristle brush would. So you're saving a lot of product in the long run. They're easier to keep clean, to wash, to store. They keep their shape. They will last you a lot longer than a typical brush. And there we have it. That is my foundation applied. Look how great that looks. My skin just looks so much more even. I look more awake. I look brighter. Of course, Sigma offers many different foundation options for your brushes. However, the F80 Flat Kabuki is definitely an iconic brush and I feel like everyone needs it in their collection. Definitely a staple to have in your makeup kit, in your brush collection. Check out the F80 Flat Kabuki, you will not be disappointed.